I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beef omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 ounces of cooked ground beef, and 1 tablespoon of milk. You will also need 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese. Don't forget salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon of butter for cooking. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the filling. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a small amount of oil. Add your chopped onion and saute it until it's translucent, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, stir in the cooked ground beef, warming it through for about 1 minute. This ensures your filling is perfectly heated and ready to be incorporated into the omelet. Now for the omelet itself. Whisk 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk, salt, and pepper until well combined. Melt 1 teaspoon of butter in an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture, letting it set for about 30 seconds before gently pushing the cooked edges towards the center. Once the top is mostly set, add your beef and onion mixture, then the cheese to 1/2. Finally, let's finish this delicious meal. Carefully fold the plain half of the omelet over the filling. Cook for an additional 30 seconds, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Slide your finished beef omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade, savory beef omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.